Let's go ahead and convert hexadecimal to decimal. So let's start off with this hexadecimal number of 7B1. Okay. So again, because we're going to decimal, we need to use kind of the rules we used before. First off, I'm going to convert everything here to a decimal number. So I'm going to end up with 7. B is 11. And 1, of course, is 1. Okay. And I need to add weights to these. We know that for our ones, for this first column here, it is 1 times 16, because we have 16 digits, to the 0 power, right? We're going to add that to our second row, which is 11 times 16 to the first power. And to that, we're also going to add 7 times 16 squared. Okay? So 1 times 16 to the first power, that this becomes a 1. So it's 1 times 1 plus 16 to the first power is 16. So 16 times 11. Now 16 squared, let's go ahead and plug that into the calculator. So 16 squared, that's 256. So that is plus 256 times 7. Okay? And I put that in the wrong place. Let me bring that down here. 256 plus, or times 7. Times 7. Let me clean this up real quick. Okay. So let's go ahead and do this math. We've got 7 times 256, so times 7, that is 1792. 1792 plus 11 times 16, that is 176, plus 1, because 1 times 1 is 1. So let's go ahead and add that, plus 1792 equals, nope, I didn't quite get that right. Let's try that again. 176 plus 1792 plus 1, 1969. So that is 1969. So this hexadecimal number converts from hexadecimal to decimal, and it's 1969. Okay. Let's go ahead and let's remove some of this, and let's try another number. Let's try a 4-digit number this time. So let's do something like B E A D. That should be a valid hexadecimal number. Okay. First thing we're going to do is we're going to convert all of these to their decimal numbers. So D is 13. So this is a 13. This is a 10. E is a 14. And B is 11. Okay. So I'm going to say 13 times 16 to the 0 power plus 10 times 16 to the first power plus 14 times 16 squared plus 11 times 16 cubed. Okay, so let's go ahead and bring these down. I've got a plus that should be here. I've got 13 times 1. I've got 10 times 16. I've got 14 times, last time we did that, I believe we got 256. And plus, we've got 11 times, now we need to go get the cube number of 16. So 16 cubed is 4096. Okay, so let's go ahead and multiply 4096 by 11. That's 45056, 45056 plus 14 times 256. That's 3,584, 3,584 plus 10 times 16. That should be 160. Yep. 160 plus 13. Okay. So let's go ahead and add these up. I should be able to say 160 plus 385 plus 45. Let's make sure we got everything. I still need a 13 there, don't I? Excuse me. Plus 13. For a number of 48,813. 48,813. 48,813. Notice how fast that grows. One line here multiplies by a huge number. And that's the reason we use hexadecimal, is because if we were to look at binary, the binary number for this number is very large. And as a decimal number, you can see this is 4 digits. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits, right? So it just becomes much, the number of columns of digits just becomes much less by using hexadecimal. Awesome.